Hey y'all. So you have a suppressed ability from childhood. Part 2. People requested a part 2 to the reading I just did. So we're going to see what ability it is you have suppressed. Alright? Okay. Spirit, for the viewers, what ability is suppressed? An ability that they expressed during childhood. Unlocking, available open doors, newness. I'm already getting something. Okay, calculated calculated move, making a move, planning. Check it out. Right off the bat, someone obviously could open doors like they were a key themselves. And you could move things from across the room. Maybe the TV remote. I don't know. Anything like that. Let's see what else we get. So you can open doors and can move things across the room. Crumbs, stringing you on equal love. So with this, I'm getting that you can make things disappear. Now this could, all these different abilities could be one viewer right here. It could also be, many of you. Okay. We're going to pull a couple cards and see what they say you guys have. Okay. Okay, so someone's mom didn't like this. Now, she didn't like it. Or whoever your caretaker was, right? My nose is running all of a sudden. Weird. They always be doing shit. Anyways. Yeah, somebody's mom didn't like that you guys could do this. Whatever. That's jealousy. Alright. Cleansing. Okay, definitely with food. You guys can make food disappear. And not by eating it. And not by hiding it. Okay. Alright. Okay. So, a couple times you almost got caught doing this. Opening doors. I mean, one time you did get caught. That's the picture of the mom being all mad. That was what I was getting right there. But this is a couple times you almost got caught doing this. And you tried to hide it. You only did it at home. Okay. Let's see what else. Answers, clarity, higher self messages. Okay. Check it out. I'm seeing somebody, a kid. It's a little boy, light hair, in the back seat. Mom's driving, and the little boy says something, and from every day on after that, the mom asked the child for question like, "Hey, do you think we should go get it?" Like advice, but like, so somebody's mom may have thought you were a little bit psychic as a child. I say mom because I'm seeing the mom doing the driving. Looks like the kid's like in kindergarten age, right? Look, there's the mom again. Alright. Alright, so that could be a different person. That could be the same person. Again, this could be all just one viewer. We'll see how it goes. Innocent. Only wants you. Abstinence. Not getting anything yet. Let's keep going. Kiss. Memorable kiss. Once a kiss. Did you kiss your toys when you were a kid? Somebody kissed their toys. Yeah. That's adorable. If I seen one of my kids doing that, I'd be like, oh my gosh. Precious. Alright, cool. Drama, dramatic, conflicts, emotional. So I'm seeing a little girl crying her eyes out, like boo-hoo, and like cry, 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 like crying. And then all of a sudden, somebody says, like they snap their fingers, and the little girl's like, boom, into position. No more tears come down. Okay, so I'm getting a little drama queen. All right. So a little actress. Got it. Okay. Date, courtship, dating, romance. Some of you liked to play house, but you, instead of playing house with kids and stuff, you would act like you were going on a date with a lover. That's cute too. Karmic bond, red flags, toxic. I don't know about that one, but well, you definitely weren't doing this as a kid, or maybe you was. Yeah, this one, I don't know. Maybe somebody drank someone's parents' alcohol on accident when they were a child. I've heard of shit like that happening. So for sure, some of these gifts that you had made someone's parent or whoever your caretaker was, it made them jealous. And that's why, probably why you suppressed it. All right, let's do some more. All right, Spirit. What abilities are suppressed by the viewers? Abilities from their childhood. Bitch, what? Somebody could levitate. Or somebody could stand on their head. Quite literally, on their head. Jeez, like a little monkey on a jungle gym. Alright, so that's a talent. Okay, that is a gift. Balance. Little baby Libra. I don't know. Oh, I missed it. Ooh, somebody was very strong. Sorry if you guys can't really see me because of the sun, but I'm trying my best. That's all I got. Somebody was very strong. Again, this could be the same child. This could be you, or this could be multiple people. The message could fade in and out. So some of you could get really lucky and get your very own, you know. So, Ten of Swords. Okay. Nothing yet. I'm getting something with bad dreams and nightmares. It's something like a child demon slayer. Like, how do I say this? So if you were to have a bad dream as a child, whatever would come to you in the bad dream, you would end up scaring it away out of the dream. That's funny. I like it. Okay. Alright. Anything else? Okay, yes. Okay, Ten of Pentacles. Somebody, check it out. Somebody's parent seen dollar signs out of you when you were small. This could be the little strong person that could do headstands and just, you know, without hands or anything, but somebody was very loving. Let's see what else I can get. So these are like physical attributes, abilities versus psychic abilities. Okay. Ooh, somebody was really strong as a child. Like, I'm talking strong, like Hercules type shit. Oh, yes. Somebody could have liked to ride horses. I'm out of time, y'all. Let me get one more. Justice. Somebody could have wanted to be a judge or have a really cool car. Yeah, this could all be the same person, but somebody definitely seen dollar signs out of you. So, all right, y'all. See ya.